Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia Tablet Z, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this device. First of all, click at the bottom right corner. Now tap on this little icon over here and click on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. As you can see, now the switcher is blue. That means that auto rotation is on. You can always turn it off by tapping on the same one. Or go into apps by tapping on the top right corner, tapping on settings, choosing accessibility over here and tapping on auto rotate screen. If you can see a check mark, that means that auto rotation is on. You can turn it off by tapping on the same feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!